Extreme computer work and household work makes our body stuffed and tired. With this, we loses the energy of the body and feel sleepy and restless. So today I will show you the 5 different asana which helps you to re-energize your body. Before that video starts, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Hi friends, let's get started. First we will do triangle pose Trikonasana. Take a wide step around your 3 feet. Make sure the heels are same. Turn the right foot at 90 degrees. Take your hand completely straight. Inhale. Now exhale as you move down. Hold for a one side to 5 to 6 breath. Now slowly come up and repeat it to the side. It strengthens your thighs, knees and ankles. Also improve your digestion and relieve this. Now the second asana is Virabhadrasana. In this, straight as the previous one. Now bend your right knee. Look at right side. Now straight your hands up. Take a few breaths here. Now slowly put your hands down and repeat with other side. It improves your focus, balance and stability and also energize your entire body. Now next is facing dog downwards, Adho Mukha Swasana. In this, sit on your knees. Now place your hands shoulder apart. Now slowly lift your legs and come to your heels. In the beginning, it's okay if you can't touch your heels down. Do as much as you can. Don't strain your body. Keep the spine straight. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths. Now slowly drop your knees. Come down and sit for a few seconds. It energizes your body, strengthening your shoulder, arms and legs. Now third is big toe pose, Padangusthasana. In this, stand straight and make sure your toes are same. Place your hands on your hip. Now inhale. Exhale as you bend down forward. Keeping the spine straight. It's okay if you don't reach completely down. Take your hand and try to touch your toe. Stay here as long as you can, keeping your spine straight. And hold for 5 to 6 breaths. Now slowly try to come up. This asana helps to calm your brain and relieve your stress. Half sage pose, Marichi's pose. In this, straight your legs. Now bend your right knee. Cross over your left thigh. Now make sure that right leg is up and pointed. Put your left hand elbow to the right knee. Now twist backward and try to look back. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths. Now slowly release yourself and repeat other side. This pose massage your abdomen including your liver and kidney.